Hello, this is Ati. In this video, I will be introducing you the Arduino. I do not have any sort of association with any companies mentioned in this video. If I mention dollar currency in my videos, it is Canadian dollars unless I state otherwise. And by the way, this video was shot in 2015. I shoot many videos which I did not publish yet. I received my Raspberry Pi 3 Module B. As I'm learning how to configure it, I'm also shooting a video and that will be published soon. Before I start hosting those, I decided to publish my older video, which is one of the older video, which is this introduction to Arduino video. So please enjoy. Hello, my name is Atılgan Şaşan. My friends call me Ati. It is written as ATI, like the graphics card company. I'm located in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. If you like to meet me or have any kind of questions, please feel free to contact me through my email, LinkedIn, or Skype. For now, I'll be posting videos to my YouTube channel. Once I complete preparing my blog and video section, you'll be able to see the videos on my website, which is sesentech.com. To teach, I have a couple of projects in mind. I'm also working on some personal projects in parallel. And I have decided to cover the basis for Arduino and flyover simple electronics. The goal will be to complete some projects instead of covering everything about a specific subject. We will try to complete certain projects and I will do my best to provide you the required information along the way. I'm aiming to provide short video trainings about 10-15 minutes each. I might prolong the time if I see the need, and probably I will end up doing so. And the first video which I'm calling Arduino and Electronics 101 will be the video part 1. What is Arduino? Taken from Wikipedia. Arduino is an open source computer hardware and software company, project and user community that designs and manufactures microcontroller based kits for building digital devices and interactive objects that can sense and control the physical world. We said microcontroller. Let's break it a little further. What is a microcontroller? This is a microcontroller. This is the Arduino board, the Mega 2560 board. I have another one here. This one I got from the RobotShop, and it has the board was the Arduino Uno board, which was modified by the RobotShop. And microcontroller is a small computer system on a chip that does a job. What is its job? Its job is to do what we tell it to do. It contains an integrated processor, memory, as it can be a small amount of RAM, program memory, or both, and programmable input-output peripherals, and which are used to interact with things connected to the chip. A microcontroller is different than a microprocessor. The microprocessor only contains the CPU, the kind used in the PCs. Back in the days, I was using DS5000 that was made by the Dallas Semiconductors, and that was in 1996, which is discontinued now. I believe there's a DS7000 now. You can check it on Google if you like. Anyway, let's get back to Arduino. The project is based on a family of microcontroller boards designs manufactured primarily by Smart Projects in Italy and also by several other vendors. The first Arduino was introduced in 2005, aiming to provide an inexpensive and easy way for novices and professionals to create devices that interact with their environment. Using sensors and actuators, common examples of such devices intended for beginner hobbyists include simple robots, thermostats, and motion detectors. Arduino boards are available commercially in pre-assembled form or as do-it-yourself kits. The hardware design specifications are openly available, allowing the Arduino boards to be manufactured by anyone. Adafruit Industries estimated in mid-2011 that over 300,000 official Arduinos had been commercially produced, and in 2013 that 700 official boards were in users' hands. I would like to give credit and thank the founders of Arduino. Here's a little history lesson. Arduino started in 2005 as a project for students at the Interaction Design Institute Ivrea in Ivrea, Italy. I hope I'm pronouncing the city correctly, as Italian is not my mother tongue. At that time, program students used a basic stamp at a cost of $100, considered expensive for students. Massimo Banzi, this guy, one of the founders, taught at Ivrea. The name Arduino comes from a bar in Ivrea. Here, some of the founders of the project used to meet. The bar in turn has been named after Arduino of Ivrea, who was the Margrave of Ivrea and King of Italy from 1002 to 1014. Colombian student Hernando Barragas created the wiring development platform, which served as the basis for Arduino. Following the completion of the wiring platform, its lighter, less expensive versions were created and made available to the open source community. Associated researchers including David Cartilles. The Arduino's initial core team consisted of Massimo Banzi, David Cartilles, Tom Eagle, Gianluca Martino, and David Mellis. And I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing the names wrong. Please forgive me and do not get offended. As for the official boards, the original Arduino hardware was manufactured by the Italian company Smart Projects. Some Arduino branded boards have been designed by the American company SparkFun Electronics, which you can see it here. On the Wikipedia, it says 16 versions of the Arduino hardware have been commercially produced to date. And as for today, when I go to the Arduino's website, I see there are 16 boards. There are 26 boards, and that's up to date. And today is October 12, 2015. And you can see the details from this link. In total, I have counted 26 boards there. And the one I have is Arduino Mega, and also I have the Arduino Uno. First of all, I need to comment on a few things. Someone I knew informed me that I should not be hosting this video because the owl on top might offend the animal lovers. I love animals as well. The owl was not shot by me, it was there when I bought this house. You might know that I'm someone who has difficult to throw things away. I did not find a use for it yet, and it's just sitting there. It doesn't bother me. Another comment was that I should be clean shaved and dressed properly. Well, this is who I am. The only one I love to please with my appearance is my wife, and so far she's not bothered with that. Another comment was that in my library that I have, there are too many books of the dummy series, and that might not look very professional. I personally love that series. If I find a dummies book about a subject that I want to learn, that will be my starting point. And if I'm really interested in the subject, I would build my knowledge on top of it with other sources. And that's it for now. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can subscribe by clicking the subscribe button at the bottom. If you like this video, you might like to see my other videos as well. Thanks for viewing, and see you in the next project.